Hey, up. Welcome back to the vlog. Right now, I'm about to just show you some of the crafts I've been making. So please like the video. If you're enjoying the video, please like it, share it, subscribe to the channel. Sorry, and rate my jewelry, rate my collection from 1 to 10. Each piece 1 to whatever number. I want you to rate it from 1 to 10, and I would reply to your comments back in the comment section. Okay, reply I would reply if you comment, critique which one is the best one also, and rate each piece from 1 to 10. Alright, y'all ready to start the show? Let's go. So yeah, first of all, and there's a lag in the video too, so please don't mind me, don't mind the lag. Alright, so rate this piece for me. Rate this piece of jewelry. This is a necklace. Okay, let me. It's kind of froze there a bit, boy. So yeah, read this one for me, chat. Read it from 1 to 10. Okay, you'll see it in our time. You will see that in a time, right? Then I think we did another version of the same thing. I think so. Then read this one. Nice. So that's the one previous you're watching. Now you're watching the one after. Read that one as well. Read them all. Read each and every single one of them. By the end of the night, until about to what to do? Blink it. Every time I had to change it, I had to blink it. Nice W's. Also, we did some more necklaces. We did this one as well. Rate this one as well. Could you rate it, please? Excuse me. Nice, nice. By the end of the night. I hope that wasn't the problem. A bunch of things stick in the thing. Then we have this one. Read this one, please. Read this one as well. This is a necklace, by the way. Okay. W's. Then, what else? What else? Then this one. Read this one as well. Sorry if this camera ain't doing the justice. Sorry if this camera ain't doing the justice. The justice. And then we have some anklets. Read this one for me. Mm-hmm. W's. this one, please. Thank you. Tobias. Wow. I like that one. It's so cool. It's so cool. Tobias. This one don't look too bad. It's very colorful though. It's one of the most colorful ones I have. This one is a bracelet as well. I guess in this collection we have like a few bracelets, more anklets, and a few necklaces. But we definitely have a good bit of necklaces, a good bit of anklets, and a few bracelets. Few, just a few. Like this one is one, right? What's wrong with you? What's your problem? Oh my gosh. So that means every time it's sticking, I had to swipe it. Are you kidding me? Nice. And we have this one. Dubious. Dubious. Read them all, chat. Read them all. Ooh. Then we had this one. Well, we did have this one, but then we finished it before we finished this one. What do you think about the magnetism in this one? Check the magnets move. Clap. Obvious. Read this one from 1 to 10, chat. Who's the bestie? Tell me, tell me, do it. You don't wanna go my turbo. And turbo, I do. Nice. Nice. W's. W's. Then we have last but not least, chat. Last but not least. Last but not least, we have this one. This one. With the turquoise stones. Rate it for me from 1 to 10. Dubious. Dubious. So yeah, that was it, guys. Hope all you enjoyed the video. Hope all you liked it. Please again rate all these accessories, okay? Rate all these accessories from 1 to 10. Okay, I really, really, really appreciate the comments, the likes, the suggestions, you know, just the encouragement. Okay, so again, if you're liking the video, share it, subscribe to the for more, subscribe for more, turn on post notifications, um, and can't wait to do it again. You know what I'm saying? Definitely was an amazing vlog. Hope all you enjoy it as much as I did making it, and see y'all again 11 a.m. Today is Thursday. See y'all 11 a.m. for the Reppin' the Green Show on YouTube and TikTok, and 11 p.m. for the Reppin' the Greens a-ton Twitch stream, crafting marathon stream, crafting every day, 365, Reppin' the Greens, 365. Thank you. Oh, boom. See y'all, man. See y'all later. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.